Alright, you guys, just checked into my room at the Azul Negril Resort. As you can see, nice little room here. You got this nice shower, which I am about to hibernate in for about a good hour. Just got off the flight and everything. Nice little private bathroom in case you have a roommate on your trip and they had some bad food or something and you got bad stomach problems. This is the closet. Ironing board. All that fun stuff. An umbrella. Here it is. Oh, they need some WD-40 on that. Let's see. I don't know what you like to drink, but they got you covered. Coffee maker for the coffee fiends. Closet. Oh, they got me some slippers. Definitely about to use those. Safe. It's a nice little room though. I think that's a king bed too. Got the phone. Feel like a disco night. They greeted me with some snacks and goodies. Some type of rum they told me I can have. Probably be bringing that home. And the grand view from this room is here. Of course, they say when you open this, the AC go off, so I'm not gonna be out here long because I love my AC. But this right here will have you comatose. Come out here and just go straight to sleep. But yeah, really nice resort. There's your swim up bar. And of course, who couldn't resist the sound of that ocean every day? Amazing. All right. Stay tuned for more from my fam trip to Negril, Jamaica.